From June 13 to June 15 will be held the 8th edition of the Eureka Festival here in the Old Port of Montreal. And today I'm at the Science Center to meet with Stéphane Bellavance, spokesperson of the event. But before, a little mimosa. Hi, Stéphane.
Hi.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To the 8th edition of the festival.
My third edition.
So what keeps you coming back?
Because I love science, I love kids, I love the Old Port. And I think this festival is just amazing. It's one of the biggest science festivals in North America, and we should be proud of it.
What can't be missed this year?
Me.
Obviously, but except Stéphane Bellavance, because you have a show on Saturday night.
Yeah, we'll have a show on Saturday night. It's a show we do on TV, and we have the live version. So it's a science quiz with a lot of explosion, a lot of smoke, and a lot of everything that is very impressive in science. But we have also Mylène Paquette.
Yeah, she rode across the sea all the way to Europe. Yep.
And she will make a conference about that, talking about the science that helped her doing this row adventure.
A very good partner when you're doing something that hard.
Yeah, very important partner, and that's one of the biggest hit now.
Yeah. So anybody can come to the festival, right?
From 7 years old to 77. The Eureka Festival is for everybody, and the science is in our life from the morning to the night, and from the night to the morning too, and everything in every part of our lives. And you can see how and why in this festival. And if you're 7 years old, or 30 years old, or 77 years old, you'll find things that you never saw before.
Thank you. You're a genius and a machine.
Oh,
thank you, Stéphane.
like it like that.
Because the machine is the theme this year.
Yeah,
Yeah.
The theme is a machine,
Yeah.
science with the machine.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Thank you, Stéphane.
Thank you.
Cheers. The Eureka Festival is for the whole family and it's completely free. A great way to come see these wonderful machines like the Felino here on my right that will be on display for the whole festival in the lobby of the Montreal Science Center. I wonder if they'll let me leave with it afterwards.